Alright, for the first problem in this set, we're going to do a fractional exponent problem that is of easy difficulty. Alright, we have 9 raised to the 3/2, and in this case, we have a fractional exponent, so that means two things. The 3 in the numerator represents a cubing. So eventually we are going to cube a number. We can do it first, we can do it later, but eventually it has to happen. The 2 in the denominator represents a root, specifically a square root because it is a 2. If this were a 3 or a 4, then it would be a third root or a fourth root. Now, again, like I said, it doesn't matter which order we go in, but it's typically easier to take a square root or a cube root first and then rise to the exponent. So, if I take the square root of 9 and I raise that to the third power, so the square root of 9 is 3, being a perfect square, raised to the third power is 27. So this is the final answer. Another way to arrive at that final answer is to reverse the order of operations. Take 9 cubed and take the square root of that. Well, 9 cubed is 729. And you might not know 729 is a perfect square, which is why it's easier to go this route, but 729 is a perfect square specifically of 27. Both ways get us to the same answer, but again, just to reiterate, 3 means a cube, which happens here or here, and 2 means a square root, which happens here in the first step, here in the second step.